All right. So, is my voice clear?
Yes, Vinod.
Yes,
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'm just opening the Eclipse. Let it. Oh, it is already open. All right. So, yeah, this would be a continuation of the Selenium with Java classes, and we'll be continuing with our new topic. So, what we have discussed yesterday? What did we discuss yesterday?
dynamic table.
Dynamic table, dynamic web tables,
Yes.
right? And we understand how to get those XPaths. And importantly, we understood how to use following siblings, correct?
Yes, Vinod.
Right? See, because there was a need of sibling. Hey, Archana, good morning.
Good morning, Vinod.
You're in hospital or you came back?
I came back. Just now I came back, Vinod.
Okay, all right. All good, right?
Yes, Vinod.
Okay. Okay. So importantly, the access methods, right? If I tell access methods, you will not be understand where you're going to use it. But situations like this, now the situation was demanding where we need to use the following sibling. That is where you will be able to understand it. Now, whenever you wanted to, right, let me share the notepad in one direction. Page, right? So whenever we have something like this, a form which is having multiple web elements, and developer used the HTML code, and he has used this as a parent, and all these are under this parent node, right? Following is always this one. Following is always this one, right? But this is the parent, then these are all 1, 2, 3 siblings or 3 child nodes, right? How do you talk to this now? We saw this will be your first sibling, correct? If you wanted to talk to the second one, this will be second sibling. Third one, it will be like third sibling, correct? But you need to know how we are going to write, right? Following hyphen sibling, right? Then double colon, double colon. If I put star, it will pick all the all the siblings of that particular parent. In this case, 1, 2, 3. Correct? Now, if I want to talk to the first sibling, I put like this. Star remains same. I put like this. If I want to talk to the second one, like this. Third one, like this. Okay? All right. So we have discussed yesterday. Now tell me. Now tell me. Now this topic is completed. Done. We are discussing about new topic. As a manual tester, right? Can someone tell me how do you raise a defect?
We will compare the actual one and expected one.
Yeah, yeah. See, you decided that is a defect. My question is, how will you raise a defect?
In defect tracking tool.
Defect tracking tool, very good. What is the next step?
We will send it to the developer.
We will ask
Directly,
them.
without doing anything.
Yeah, steps to
We will-
reproduce.
My question is, how do you raise a defect? How do you raise a defect?
We upload the any screenshot or screenshot and steps to reproduce. Following
Excellent.
the
Very good.
following the steps, we go through the URL and next steps, and
Very
where
good.
it is issue is there that highlight that point.
Excellent. Very good. So whatever points Rajesh Lakshmi said, what is the first one? We'll input the details, correct? You will input the details, you pass the URL. Importantly, you will tell what is the steps to reproduce. Very good, Rajesh Lakshmi. I think still you have remembered this point, right? That is, who's this? My Vinod, I'll be back after 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm only.
Okay, sorry, I did not save the number.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. Everybody, okay. Generally, I should not be looking at WhatsApp in middle. So some message came. Right. So you will tell the developer steps to reproduce. Very good, Rajalakshmi. The points, the steps definitely help you in any of the interview.
Thank you.
Right. Now we know steps to reproduce, right? We know how to, if it is an open browser in manual testing, you know how to write the open browser, correct? Can you automate open browser in automation?
In browser. Yes, we can.
Use the URL directly.
My question is, in manual test cases, there is a step, open the browser. Can you
Yes.
automate that in automation?
Yeah, we will
Yes,
write
sir.
driver equal
Then
to
why are
new
you
to.
having so much of doubt?
Yeah, question.
Why is your what is your doubt? The next step says launch URL. Can't you launch the
Yes.
URL?
Yes, using driver
Yes,
dot
yes.
get.
Yes,
Launch URL.
Right?
using WebDriver,
Yes.
we can launch the.
Correct. Right. Third step says pass the username. Can't you automate that? Pass the URL step.
Yes.
Sorry,
Yes,
username.
Vinod.
Input we can
By
pass
using
the
send
Yes,
keys.
Correct.
in the
Right.
case.
Yes.
Fourth
Yes,
step, passing the password. Can you automate that?
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
Yes.
Correct. Fifth step, check whether expected actual versus expected is same or not. Can you automate that?
Yes, by using
Yes, we know.
Correct.
Yes.
Yes.
Now expected versus actual versus expected is different. It is a failure, right?
Yeah.
Now
Right.
now the step is coming. Attach the screenshot
Yes.
to the developer.
Yes.
Will you
Yeah.
automate that?
yes, we can automate it.
Who said that?
No, Vinod. Niharika, Vinod.
We got the defect right, so we can't. So
No,
need
we
to
got the defect. My question
Yes.
is, we got the defect. Now we need to attach the screenshot to the developer,
developer.
right? In the manual testing, it says attach the screenshot. Can you automate that in automation?
No, Vinod. Yes, Vinod. Yes, we can.
Who's saying yes?
Niharika.
Can we automate? We can't automate.
We can automate.
We can automate. Others?
We can.
Yes, we know.
Yes, we
Okay.
can.
Yes, Vinod.
Can
Because
someone share, other than Niharika, can someone share the screen and tell me how to attach the screenshot? Kavita, share your screen.
I said no, Vinod.
No?
Initially, I said how it is possible. I don't.
No. My question is, can we take a screenshot?
That's what. Can we automate that in automation with the screenshot? I'm not getting the idea.
Okay. Others?
No idea, we know.
we know that actually you are saying if it is failed, so it's our duty, right, to write the exact.
Yes, it's out, but
Not
he was
defect, right?
asking how you will write, he was asking.
Okay. Now today let's learn how to take a screenshot how to take a screenshots while through automation. Okay. Now, in what scenarios we'll take screenshots?
When we get defect.
When we get the defect or error.
When we get the defects, right?
Defects.
Let me create a class.
ఇది సినారియోలో చేస్తాం.
Okay. I've created a class now. Now I need to launch any browser and a URL, right? Let's launch this one, take screenshot. This is my set system.set property. And this variable instance, I'm launching this. Let's check, will it work? These 3 lines work?
Now we need to write JavaScript executor to show the table.
I'm just asking whether it will work or not.
Yeah,
Just
it
these 3
will
lines.
URL.
Yeah. It will work.
See,
Again, you
after
will ask
this,
next question, right?
no. After this, if there is any find element, then your question should come. I'm just
Okay,
asking
Vinod.
whether this browser will launch and this URL will open. Correct?
Yes.
Very
Yes,
simple
yes.
question.
Yes,
Okay.
Vinod.
Okay. You are too much advanced. Before itself, me asking question, you are giving an answer. Okay, that's good. Automation effect. Okay, it is opening, right?
Yes.
It is opening, and it is not maximizing. Let's. Do you have any maximize here? Right. Now this time I'll ask the code. Okay, you have to tell me. Can someone tell me Java executor code?
JavaScript executor JS equal to JavaScript executor in brackets, after brackets, the driver.
Okay, hold on. I have to type it right.
Okay.
JavaScript
Executor
executor.
in the caps JSE.
Okay, Archana, continue after this.
No, Vinod, I don't have any notes.
Don't
And I
have?
don't have any notes.
Don't have any node. Sorry, I'm not understanding what you're saying.
I don't have any notes. Right now I'm
Notes.
only on my
Oh,
mobile. I don't know.
you're on your mobile phone. Okay. Good.
Window dot scroll
Maybe
by.
I am telling it's right or wrong. I don't know. But JavaScript
That's
executor.
okay. That's okay. Don't take stress. Don't take stress. I'll write it.
Oh,
Okay.
at least I have
No,
to
it's okay.
try.
Don't take stress. Don't take stress. This 500. There is this double quotes. Okay.
Here we need to take one more string, Vinod. Just
Yeah,
closing.
one more bracket I have to put.
No. Again, one more after
Zero
500
after
Comma.
500 close.
close.
Okay, here it is.
And you need to close the
Close.
string also, right? Window and
Double quotes here. There is a double quotes. There is a double
yes.
quotes. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now add it here.
Only one parenthesis. That
Remove
extra
one
one
more.
is
E.
ending.
This is
Ending.
capital E.
Yes. Vinod.
Yes.
Capital E. Now it should
And
work.
no, Vinod. Here
Down
error.
close the one.
One more.
Execute script.
That is
E,
correct.
one more E.
Yeah. Now let's see this one. It's saying change to execute. Yeah, it should work like this.
Before
Okay.
semicolon, remove one more.
Trim one parenthesis, Vinod.
one
Extra.
more parenthesis here.
Yes.
Yes, now
Okay.
it's correct.
Okay. Right now it is working fine. JavaScript, it looks good. Okay. What is the next step now? What is the next step? We need to
Take screenshot.
you need to take the screenshot. Okay. So like WebDriver, right? Interface. We have another interface called as take
Screenshot.
screen shot. Okay. Now let's put it as like this. What we are doing here, initializing, right? The instance. Like this. Now we have to create a variable. Let's take as ts is equal to. Okay. Now same thing here and close the bracket. And close the bracket here and pass the same what we have done for JavaScript is good. See the same the installation is same. Okay,
Yes.
now what are we doing here? We are initializing the instance. Correct? Now the actual steps comes in the picture. Right? Now we have to create what type of file we are actually taking a screenshot and with what method. So there is a file where we create f equal to ts dot. Okay, first let us add this one file util ts. Why it is not showing this file f equal to ts dot? It doesn't have that method at all. Where this is gone method? Take screenshot. Correct only. This is correct. What is that file method? IO, right? That is fine. Can you check once in your system? It is showing get. Let's type it. Get screen shot as output type dot file. Let's see. You should add this one. Or it is throwing some error. Can you check this? If this method is showing in your system, please quickly. I'll paste it. Is there any issue with Eclipse? Yeah, I'm copying here. Take the screenshot is not. Oh, it is takes, right? Takes screenshot. Should work. Take screenshot. Okay. So now error is gone. Yeah. The misspellings are very important. See now, earlier the S was missing actually. Still there was no error because the package has been added. Right? There is one more interface called as takes screenshot. Now the error is gone. Now this is very important method which is coming from this interface. Take screenshot interface. Okay. Now what are we telling that we are creating a file type? We are creating a file type which is output is again of file type which is by default very important. By default it will be .png format. You know, right? What is PNG format?
Yes, Vinod.
Any image generally it will be of JPG PNG format. Generally PNG is having it will take a lot of space compared to JPG. So people prefer to create files, image files as JPG, but PNG is having good resolution, and also it occupies more space compared to JPG. Okay, but output of this take screenshot interface output file is of default is of .png. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. See, now we have created an instance here, and with the help of dot get screenshot as dot get screenshot as, right? This is a method of type file. We are using a file input IO input output stream, which is of package coming from again Java, where we are using this interface into our scripting. Okay. Now, everything is fine so far. We have not created any file. We are telling that this is going to be a file format. Now, how I'm going to create a file? Okay, here this is little bit more important. In automation, right? In automation interview, people will not ask dot get screenshot method is coming from where, who has created it, what kind of uh, you know Java programming is used behind to create this Java get screenshot as. No, for automation tester, the syntax is very, very important. Butify the syntax. If somebody now just now, what's her name? Tulsi was saying JavaScript. I think she has butified overnight all these syntaxes. The same way you have to butify all the syntaxes. And you should know what is this used for. You should know what is this method. This is an interface. That's it. We are creating a variable, reference variable. Correct? We are passing, right? We are passing to the driver. Correct? And we are creating a file. Why we are creating a file? Because that needs to be a file type. That's it. No need to know beyond that. Okay. Now let's create a file where your file will be stored. Now generally, this is how you create a new file system, right? New file system. But you need to pass the argument where you wanted to store this screenshot, right? That will be again inside the Java course. Now, where you wanted to store this screenshot? Now, let's say I'm opening my drive actually, and let's say I wanted to store training. Okay, I want to store it here. I want to store it here, and I'll come back and I'll paste it. Then what would be my okay. Name of the file? Okay, sample screenshot.png. So in this location, right? In this location, my file sample screenshot.png will be stored. Right? This is the file name. Okay, this is a file name. Right? So far, any doubts in these 3 lines?
No, Vinod.
No, Vinod.
Sure, right? Okay. Now, f dot. So whenever you creating a file, right? Whenever you creating a file, you should always this is our file type. Okay. So you always should rename that file to your target file. Always this method is very important. Here the file is creating. Let's say empty file creating. But where is your actual file? This one. This is where your target file is. So always rename it to the target file, whatever you are creating, and put it here. and save it. Okay. Now let's run this and see whether it is taken or not. So okay, let's run this. Will it work? Is this the one opening? Yeah, this is the one. It is terminated. It is executed. So let's see it has created or not. I'll go and refresh it. What is the name of the file?
Screenshot
This one?
created. Yes.
Let's wait. It's opening. Yep, it has taken the screenshot, right? It has taken the screenshot. Now, what time it was? 11:45. See here, time 11:45. Now the 11 time is 11:45 now. Okay, let us capture one more. Okay, we'll come back and we'll rename it as. Can someone tell some name?
This screenshot.
This screenshot. Okay, let's run this. Done. We'll go here and always refresh it. Okay, always refresh it. What is that? This screenshot. There is that this screenshot. Yeah, it's down there.
Last. Yes.
Yeah, it has taken the screenshot. Okay, so this is how you take the screenshot in your projects. Okay, now this is the. Let me open the paint. Okay, now let me remove everything.
While giving the screenshot name, we should give the exactly the error of the name or which any example, the screenshot name.
Yeah, you can give. Say example, if you're running Gmail, example.
Okay.
Now your script you're writing compose.
Okay.
Right, you're automating compose functionality. Right. If your file is not getting uploaded after uploading the file error page, just rename that screenshot as right with the error page or file upload failure. It's up to us.
Okay.
But to have a meaningful name. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm still waiting for your doubt. You should get doubt here.
How the screenshot is capturing that one?
Snapshot is capturing it. See, we should not be bothering. We are not a Java developers. We are automation testers, right?
Yeah.
You have written the script. It is in PNG format. Let's open it. Okay. If you set this, right, where is the save? Right, let's close this. And if I go to my folder, it is PNG file. See here, and
Yes.
the timestamp is coming up. That's all we need, right? It's taking the screenshot. Our job is done. There is no error at all. Excellent. There is no error in the scripting. Then is our goal achieved?
It should be attached to the defect.
Attached to the defect.
Okay, that is possible because you have this in here,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
You will have this here, then you'll pick up from here. That's fine. But is this your goal? Just think over, okay? I'm trying to put something on your mind. Think through. Think. Think. Why are we writing this? What is the use of it? Think through it.
Whether it should display in the console or else.
No, we need to
One
check whether we need to take it only for the failed test cases.
Yeah. What is that?
Like we
Sorry.
need to take it just for the failed test cases, not for all the test cases.
Correct. And that is how we should think. That is what we need to think. We are taking screenshot for every instance. Did we ever think whenever there is a failure, you should take the screenshot? Did we achieve that?
No.
Did we achieve that?
No.
No.
No, right? Okay.
No.
We have to take the screenshot. We have to take the screenshot. But whenever
We got it.
whenever there is any
Defect.
defect. Okay. We will discuss. That is the advanced topic. But for now, I'll just show you some trick here where you can try it out. Okay. Now, this is one JavaScript. Take instance picture here. Okay. Now, here is our dynamic table. Okay, this is our dynamic table, right? What I'm doing here, this is how we are Chrome. Right now, this is identifying it. Okay, now this is that printing this name. Please watch out. Okay, I'm just trying to show you something. Let's now this is what is the job? It has to find it. Okay, it has to find the element and it has to print. Okay, right. Um, show you some different try some if I catch. Finally expected. Okay. So can someone try and tell me what we can do it? What I've just given the hint. Can someone think through? I've given the hint.
Chart.
If the try catch failed, then we can take a screenshot maybe. So
No, if
Think
try
through.
or
Think
catch
through.
not executed, also finally it should execute compulsory, right?
Your voice is resounding.
My voice,
Yeah.
still the same.
No, it is fine. No, it's fine.
If try and catch executed or not, but finally should execute compulsory, right? So we should write the expected one. Or actual.
Think. Okay. Others?
try catch gives an exception, captures an exception, right, Vinod? When that exception came, then we might take screenshot maybe.
Others? Good. Good thinking. Come on. I want again. There is nothing wrong here. You have to come out of this kind of thinkings. Come on. Think through what can be done now.
There is any exception, catch will catch the exception. Not disturb the
If there
other
is
code.
any exception in the try block,
Hmm.
it will catch that one.
Okay. Let's do it. Catch only. Finally, again, it will be a. Okay. Section. Okay. Now, let's understand what I'm trying to do here. Okay. Now tell me, will it take the screenshot? Will it take screenshot?
No, because the Chrome will open. The Chrome will highlight. We given right text path there.
Now my question is, will it take the screenshot? Yes or no?
Yes, we know.
It will take the
Yes,
screenshot.
we know.
Okay, very good. Let's remove this one, and this one, right? Okay, who all says it will take screenshot? Archana said. Niharika?
If script throws an exception, then it might catch the screenshot, capture the screenshot.
Okay. Tulsi?
It won't take. If you
It
got
won't take. Why?
if you got any error only, it will take the screenshot because we written in the catch, right?
Okay. Kavita?
It don't
Hmm?
because of that.
If the XPath is wrong, it will give the exception.
Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's see this.
Yes.
Let's try this one. Just printed. Okay. Now, what is the name of the screenshot? This screenshot. I'll go here and I'll refresh. Is there any screenshot available? No, right?
No, we
No.
know.
No. Okay. Why it has not printed?
Because
Okay, now let's do a trick. Okay, let's do a trick. Right. Now let's run it. Page open. Though the XPath, I've changed the XPath. Ideally, it should throw element not found or element not visible or no such element found. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct. It has not thrown any error here, though the script is having error. Let's go and see whether this has a refresh. Always refresh. Now let's see if this has it. Yes.
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 1157.
yes.
Now what do you understand by this?
Yeah.
What do you understand by
Exception.
this?
If there is
Yeah.
any
If
exception
there is
only,
any issue is there, that time
then it will
exception is there.
Any
That
exception
time
Right.
only
only
will take the screenshot.
screenshot is.
Now let's try to print this. Okay. E dot.
Message.
Okay,
Get
let's try this
message.
one. Okay, now
Yes,
let's see
ma'am.
what was it? Close it. Finding interesting, boring.
Interesting, Vinod.
Interesting.
Interesting. Okay, good. Yeah, it has. See now. Did it printed in red color or black color?
Black.
black color.
Black, right?
Black color.
It should. This is an error actually. See, unable to locate the XPath expression. Correct. This is
Then
what
why
is that error? Invalid selector. Correct.
Yes.
Right.
But it is
Why
printed in
it
black
is
color.
not throwing an error? Because we have captured the exception. Right. We have to capture the exception. Now this answers your question, right? When you should take the screenshot, when you should take the screenshot. So always, whenever you think a particular code or particular functionality might throw an error, right? that particular functionality might throw an error, you should always put that code in try catch
Try
block.
catch.
Try catch
Catch
block.
block.
Try catch block. Right? Now I can write one try, multiple catch. Like this. Okay. So I can, where is this exception? What the exception is? Remove catch clause and replace throws. Okay. Okay. So I'll teach you in you know, how can we have multiple, we can have finally try catch block. We have multiple try catches inside it. So for now, like try to understand now, whenever you want to throw any exception, you want to capture an exception. Okay. Whenever you want to throw any exception, right? Whenever you want to throw an exception, you want to capture the exception, you can always put, if you want to write in a multiple like this exception, right? You can just put, I think, one here and T1. It should accept it. Multiple catch. Okay. Now tell me where is the error here. I will maximize it. Can tell me where is the error here.
It don't accept the exception
Exception.
and null point exception. That is all we will write.
I am writing here. A try catch block is here. Try is here. Correct.
Yes.
And catch is
Yes.
here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
So this is where our try catch block is ending. Okay. Now, why this is empty here? Why did we keep empty brackets? So I'm trying catch another catch exception. Did we write any spelling mistake? And let's say E2.
You know, here actually
Exception.
exception E you directly take. Can we try the null point exception and
Anything. See,
file not
example, you
found?
can write here arithmetic, right? The naming convention should be equal. You can write here whatever. See, first you try to run the script and see what exception it is getting. You can put that exception here and you can write multiple one try and multiple catches. That we'll discuss in Java. You might be confusing here. Okay. So try to take screenshots whenever you have any exceptions. Getting the point?
Yes, we know.
Okay, try block, catch block. And let's try this one more time. Let's say, and finally should work. This is one. This is, let's put this one on. This is two. This is one and this is two. It's not be finally. Yeah. This should not show an exception. It changed exception dot lava. Okay. Oh, there was a spelling mistake. Okay, this is how it should be. And why it is throwing a request. This exception one, exception two. Okay, so we can, this is the sample name where you can put, yeah.
Sorry, actually exception is the superclass, so you can take the like that null pointer
Yeah,
exception and
we can derive the
that
exceptions
time
here.
only
Yeah,
it will take.
right. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let's move. It's 10. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, so we'll discuss in the Java classes about this exception part. Okay, for now try to understand. This is the where remove this E1. Okay, error is gone. Okay, now tell me, yeah, another error here. What is error? Okay, there is no error now. Now tell me, remove all the confusions aside, and whenever you have a code which is risky, put that in try, and always, use the catch block whenever you want to catch the exceptions. Okay, that we'll see. And next week we'll discuss about the basic Java stuff. Then it is easy for you to understand. Okay, now please understand here. What do you call it? Now this is storing in my local machine, correct? Yes or no? This is storing in my local machine. So whenever this project is copied and moved to a different machine, or you are sending this project to someone for execution, there might be many reasons. That point of time, right? This path will not be there, right? Yes or no? This path will not be there.
Yes.
Yes,
It will throw an error saying that there is no E drive and there is no training folder. In that case, this way of taking the screenshot will not work because it is storing in the local machine. So what we need to do is just slightly, we need to tweak the code, different way. Instead of giving the hard code value, we'll change that. If you remember, system dot set property, right? You remember system dot set property, where we use it?
Yes.
Where we use it?
To open the browser.
Are you sure?
Yes, there are two ways to open, two lines. This is the first
Right.
line.
Now I have a get property. Okay, get property, get property. Right. Now remove this part. Right, remove this part. Okay. Now I have one more. Okay. Now remove this part. Now here we need to pass. We need to pass a. We need to pass a parameter which will actually store your target file into this project location, not to your local machine. Right. Now what we do is there is a user dot directory dir. So whatever you are passing, whatever you are capturing in the target file, that will go and sit in the user directory. Okay, user directory. Now, but what is the file name? You have to give the file name, right? You have to give the file name, right? Before creating the file name, you should actually create one folder in your project file. This is your project, right? First script, right? So you have to create one folder. How to create a folder? Do a right click, new, and there should be folder. See, this is the folder. Okay. Now my screenshots. I'm just doing a finishing. Again, right click on my project, new folder. Okay. Now see my screenshot folder is created. Can you see this?
Yes,
Everyone,
Vinod.
yes,
right?
yes.
Now let's pass that. Let's pass that Same name, okay? Don't give wrong name. Shots. And what is the name of the file you want to give this time? New screenshot.png. Okay. Right. And double quotes should be inside the double quotes, and it's inside the double quotes. It should be the parameter. What is it? Okay. Can you see this one? System.get properties. This is not set property. This is the user directory. You are telling there is a folder name in my project called my screenshot. This is the file name you are going to save it. Rest all it is save. Okay. So let's see where it is going to. So it should fall into this my screenshot folder. Okay. Let's run this. Did we make any mistake here? Yeah, we have removed. It should take a screenshot now. Okay, it is open. It is printing it. We are printing this exception here. It's not there, right? The screenshot should fall inside this my screenshots, correct?
Yes, Vinod.
But it's not there. So always whenever you run the script, right, you have to refresh it. Okay. Now, if you refresh it, see now, there is a new screenshot. If I double click on it, inside your Eclipse only it will open. So this is a screenshot. And if I want to see in a separately in the system, show in a System Explorer, right? If I open this one, this is my screenshot. Okay. You got it? How to take the screenshot and put it in your project folder.
Yes, Vinod. That means while deploying the code, we should this folder also we need to move it, right? No?
Not required. Automatically it is there inside your folder only.
Okay.
So where
Yes,
it is, if I go to my project, right? Properties. See, this is the actual location of the project, correct?
Yes.
See, when you prepare this as a jar file, right? When you prepare as a jar file and do a deployment,
Yeah.
right? When you do deployment and when you send to, I'll show you how to prepare it. This little bit more classes are required. When you completely you move that as a jar file. Let me show you that the GitHub. You're going to deploy this GitHub configure. This is Gradle. You will be deploying through Maven. Okay. The so once you build this project into a build path, then what happens? Complete all the jar files. Okay, all the files, these dependencies, everything will be zipped into the jar files. Then you can move this to a different location also. Then all these dependencies automatically will move along with your project.
Yeah. Okay, Vinod.
Okay. Any doubts so far? We have done two ways. One is storing in your local machine. Two, storing into your project. Any doubts?
No, Vinod.
Any doubts, please?
No, Vinod.
In real time, what process will follow?
Yeah, this is the export. See here,
Okay.
you're exporting the project.
Okay.
It's into the jar file. Once you click on next, right? Destination. Let's say I want to put it on a desktop. Say I want to give Save. Finish. Yeah, see the additional jar creation failed. We need certain select options, warnings. Okay. Yes. Select is throwing an error. Oh my God, lot of files that need to be not accessible. Okay, so we need to export few jar files to the projects. That's where it was showing. We need to update the Maven. We are not updated the Maven. So few steps are required. This is how we are going to see here. First thing this is the jar file. So where we can convert it. So we have other options also. So where we wanted to do it, we want to do a file system archive, a lot of other options. In runnable file also we can create launch configurations. This is how you generate a see package required libraries into generate jar file. Okay, so in real time you're not going to do anything. I'm just showing that how to convert this into a jar file, right? Okay, someone was asking a question. Who was it?
Rajalakshmi.
Yeah, what is the question?
In real time local file we are taking, or here we are saving that file
No,
screenshot
real
file.
time you will not work in a local machine at all. You will only work in the
Okay.
project folder structure. Simple.
Project structure only. Yes.
Project
This
structure
one.
only.
Yeah.
Vinod, uh, I have a doubt here. Actually, we have taken the screenshot, but like, so if it is a specific element or something which is throwing this error, right? That so when you do it manually, right? We'll highlight it or we'll just snip that particular part. Like, is it possible here? Because it's taking the entire page, right? So
No.
where is that particular error? How can we find out?
Okay, if it's that case, what we do is example. Let's what page it was. Okay. Now let's take another example. Big basket. Okay, basket. This is a big basket. Now let's say this area is throwing an error. Example. Okay, this particular area, not whole page. Okay. Now what we do is just we do a right click and inspect. Okay, now see in by inspecting, right? Now this is X path of inspecting of this particular element. Now if I go a little bit broader, it is only taking this one. It is taking the whole 4 items which is listed, right? Now I click on this, right? Now I go and do a let's see if there's if it is identifying that 4 particular. Yeah, this is identifying this. Correct. Now I want to take only this particular area, not anywhere else. Okay. Now what should I do now? I got the X path. Correct.
Yes, Vinod.
Correct. I got the X path. So simple. I just go here and in place of this X path, what we do is we will. Should I remove the script or do you want to make a note? I just want to edit this one. Should I edit or you want to make a note?
We want to make a note.
Quickly, we'll write that script.
Okay. Yeah. Please scroll to right side. Thank you.
Done.
Yes, Vinod.
Yes, we know.
Vinod.
Thank you.
All right. So let's there is our scale as specific area. I need to launch big basket. Let's copy this file. Okay. I need big basket. Where is that? Oops. Okay, all right. Let's check whether it's working fine till here. All right, it is opening. Great. Now script is successfully working. Close this. Okay. Now, get the till shortly create one web driver. Copy this one. Right. Okay. Now need to get this expand. Put here. Sorry. Okay. Now let's make this as a value-based element, and let's say circuit section. All right. Now let's add that element to this. Okay. Now now this specific web element should also have get screenshot. Yes, introduction path. Right. The same thing what we have passed to the path. Is it this one? Okay. Right. What's the next step? What's the next step? We have to pass this one. Correct. Right. Now this part is some error here. 1, 2. What is error? Okay, by is throwing error.
Input.
Right now, specific short. Okay, and once it is done, we have to rename to the file, right? We have to rename to the file. What is the file name we have created? We have created for the new file only, right? We have not created a specific file here, right?
Yes,
So we have to create the file f is equal to. Right now, this time f dot rename to target file. This is how it should be. Right, so far looks good. Will it work now? No, copy it. It is, you should take this particular, the highlighted one, the border, whatever it is highlighting now, that screenshot should be taken. Right now, let's see, run it and let's see, is there any errors? It's terminated. Now let's go to our my screenshots and do a refresh. See here, my screenshot. Let's see. Yeah, it has taken the specific area, right?
Yes.
Showing properties. Now showing the showing system explorer. Yeah, this is how it should be. Give me 1 minute. Hello. Yes. Sorry. Yeah, this is how it should be, and this is the screenshot. Okay. Now, let's say you want to take only one particular web element only. Now, let's say I wanted to take this particular screenshot, not the whole section. I want to take one particular web element. How will I do it? I'll just go here. Or let's say if I want to take this one, right click, copy, paste it here. This is 11 text path. Okay. Like this highlighting. It's not highlighting anywhere. It is not highlighting. Right.
So suggestions are not getting me, so that is not. This one, copy, this one. Right. Let's take this highlighting. Yeah, it's highlighting. Now, if I want to take a particular web element, what I'll do, I'll go here and I'll change, right? Instead of this XPath, let's everything remains same. I save it here. And now this time if I rename it element web element. Okay. I'll go this, run it. Let's see. Terminated. I'll go here and I'll do a refresh. This is a web element. Yeah. You saw that? Everyone?
Yes, we know. Yes.
Yes, Vinod.
All right. So what have we learned? What have we learned today? We learned how to take a
Screenshot.
full page screenshot and how to take a specific area screenshot. And this, this specific area and specific web element, this has started from Selenium 4 onwards only. Earlier it was not there. So Selenium 4 onwards, it became more popular of taking particular web element and particular specific area. All right.
Yes.
You want to make a note of this or not required?
Make
It
a
is
note.
simple only. It is simple only. You need to create. Now, the important takeaway here is, right, what is the difference between this full page and the specific area is what, this take screenshot, right? Your take get screenshot method is coming from this interface.
Yeah.
Get screenshot method is coming from take screenshot interface. But whereas Whereas specific element, specific section, right? Get screenshot is coming from the web interface. See here, we have created specific section, right? From there, this get the screenshot is coming. Get screenshot as. But whereas in the whole page, this get screenshot method is coming from take screenshot interface. The only difference is that. So whenever you want to take a specific web element, specific area, then we go with a web driver interface. If you want to take a full page, then we'll go with the take screenshot interface. All right.
Yes.
Any doubts today?
No, Vinod.
Okay.